is Heather and Ben, and we are here today with our August Universal Yums box. Let's open the box and find out where it's from. Maybe.
Jeez, Mom. There you go.
Oh.
I don't think this works.
No, we really ought to open it and look at it first. Taiwan.
It's got all the lights. Like from...
Oh, like lanterns, yeah. The box is a little cool right now because I put it in the fridge because the mailman left it on the porch outside right in a spot of direct sun. So hopefully nothing melted. Okay, so Taiwan, if you don't know, is an island nation off the southern coast of China. And there's a whole big thing about whether or not it's actually part of China, which goes back to the history of China. And it's a long story. Here's the book, and these are the lanterns that Ben was talking about. Mm-hmm. And you want to hold up the sticker?
It's got an insect on it.
What does it say?
It's got an insect on it. It says it's got an insect on it.
Kingdom of the
Butterflies.
It's butterflies. Oh, it's on a bubble tea. This small island is home to a whopping 430 unique species of butterflies. And in the north, locals celebrate the first full moon of the year with the Pingxi Sky Lantern Festival, where 200,000 floating lanterns are sent up into the night sky, each inscribed with a wish. Bubble tea popcorn.
Yeah, but it was egg popcorn.
What does bubble tea taste like? I don't have any idea. Kimchi and soy sauce crackers. Asian spicy cabbage on a crispy cracker. Taro cream wafers made with taro, potatoes, nuttier, richer kin. Yuzu sponge cake. Black truffle potato fries. Chocolatey mochi. Is it mochi or mochi? I don't know. I think it's mochi. Mm-hmm. With peanut cream. Okay. I'm just going to say right now, I'm kind of terrified to try all of this. Nothing sounds good to me.
Well, we were saying, they're brave to try these ones. But it'd be brave to try these
I know.
ones. The only one I'm really interested in is the popcorn one.
I'm a little scared to try any of them. Okay, and yes, we forgot to say if we wanted to go to Taiwan.
I don't know.
If you gave me a free trip,
sure.
Or if I'm stopping there on a cruise on of Asia, sure. But I don't think it's someplace I would go out of my way to visit. It's not on my bucket list.
No.
Why do you look like you're sitting in a hole?
Because I am.
That is taller than that. There we go. All right, so we're trying the popcorn first?
Yeah, because I won't even try.
That's not even trying the other stuff.
This is going to be a 5-minute video.
Of Mom going, ugh. All right, bubble tea popcorn.
It looks like caramel popcorn.
It looks like caramel popcorn. Okay.
And I just showed it back. See? Isn't it wonderful?
It could be worse.
Could be better. Can't really tell.
Is it all the same color? Is it? Oh yeah, it does. It looks just like caramel popcorn. It smells like... What does it smell like?
What on earth does bubble tea taste like?
I don't know. I've never had bubble tea. Oh. No. That, apparently. Give us a minute. I have no words.
It doesn't really taste like anything to me.
I don't know what that was. No thanks. Let's get the spicy thing out of the way. Korean kimchi soy cracker. Am I trying all these by myself?
Yeah.
Ben's just here for moral support. Oh, this actually smells good because it smells like a Chinese restaurant. It smells like soy sauce. It tastes like Chinese food. That's what it tastes like. It has the overall sensation of Chinese food. Like a nutty, it's not spicy.
Chinese food.
Yeah, it's not spicy. It's a nice, thicker cracker. Truffle fries.
Truffle fries.
Black truffle fries.
What
Oh,
on earth.
they look like a fry.
Not your average fry, though.
But they do. They look just like a French fry.
I'll try it if you like it. Heck, it's like hard. But
It's
like
very
when it
hard.
was in the fridge.
It's a very, very subtle mushroomy flavor.
Mushroom.
Well, that's what truffles are.
Oh.
They're a type of... Well, there's two kinds. There's chocolate truffles, which this is not. And there's truffles that are like a type of fungi that grows in the ground.
That out there, that city.
Right. We have a mushroom
City.
in our yard. After those last things, the soy crackers, it has much less flavor. So it doesn't taste like much of anything because I still have a little of the flavor of those soy crackers in my mouth. A little bit of like potato, chipish kind of flavor with just a very subtle mushroomy flavor. It's fine. Wouldn't like go out of my way for it or anything, but this is a warning to you. When you do this, you are mixing a lot of different weird foods in your stomach in a very short amount of time.
It's
Right.
not healthy.
It's not necessarily a good thing all the time. So,
Usually after every episode, I have a stomach.
yeah. So that's why Ben's a little bit cautious about trying things, trying too many things, unless
Well,
it's
and
not...
I just don't want to. The German thing. Remember that? That was torture.
What was it?
Can't risk
Fruit?
it again. It's some disgusting fruit thing that literally made me puke.
You did not throw up. We've never
threw
thrown
it up
up.
in the sink.
You spit it out.
That's technically throwing it up.
We've never thrown up, okay?
I was about to, and then it happened again with another thing. It just depends on what there
Because
is.
every once in a while you get something that's really good,
Yeah, like that bubble chocolate.
and then we're like, oh, this is so good. I love this. Yeah.
Reorder it. Or
But you have to go through a lot of like strange things to find those. Okay. Soft yuzu citrus cake. I like citrus. Do you like citrus?
Sad.
Orange, lemon, lime,
No.
citrus fruits.
I'm sorry, I don't like a lot of things. I apologize.
Yeah, I guess actually between the two of them, Megan is probably the more adventurous eater. Like when we travel and go on cruises and stuff, she's more willing to try.
Well, I'm willing to try things, just not strange things.
Yeah, that's true.
Like normal foods, like,
That you just never had before.
yeah, but like stuff like this, like snacks.
It's a little cake.
It's cute. Can I pet it?
Yes. You want to smell it? It smell orangey?
It smells like an orange bread.
Yeah, it does. It smells like orange bread. Oh! There's something inside.
Well, then I'm definitely not trying
Woo!
to fix all my feelings.
It's a very strong citrusy flavor from the inside. It's kind of like a jelly. It's pretty dense. Again, it's okay, but I wouldn't like choose it. Oh yeah. No yum bag this month. This is very crummy.
Well, then just eat a little corner.
Well, but there's two.
Eat a little corner.
It's a wafer. Oh gosh, it's crummy. And we just vacuumed.
Just leave it in there.
Okay.
Just take a little bite. You don't have to show it. It's just a normal wafer. Your reaction.
This tastes like absolutely nothing.
The absolutely nothing wafer.
This is completely and totally
Now in
flavorless.
Taiwan. Hey, I figured out how to open it. But
It is a dry, flavorless
What did I do?
wafer. So much for being careful with the box.
It's still edible. Wait.
The box? They're basically like a fancy peanut butter cup. I can smell the peanut butter. There's 4 of them in here. They come in a fancy little paper. And they smell like, you know, like candies from a fancy candy counter. Like something you'd buy, like a truffle. They smell like that. I honestly think Megan would like these better than either of us because...
Try a little bite, not
yeah,
the
it's
whole
dark
entire
chocolate.
Thing. Don't put the whole entire thing in your mouth. Please don't throw up on me.
I'm not going to throw up. I didn't consume any of it.
You can just see my hands.
Look at... What is the... It's not peanut butter. What is it?
I don't like
What
it.
is that?
I'm going to throw up. I don't like it at all. Don't show it to me. Just put it in the box and throw it.
Okay, so... this is a quick one.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
In conclusion, I would say that the Taiwan box
Is a fail.
is a fail. The Taiwan box is probably, I would say, the worst box we've ever had.
It's horrible. I didn't try anything except that
Would you agree?
whatever that popcorn mocha was.
This I would definitely say if I had to rank all our boxes and go back, this is
is
the worst box
0.001.
we've ever had.
So they can remember.
I'm extremely disappointed with this box. I will not eat another bite of anything
Just throw it in the trash.
in here. Yeah, so if you got the Taiwan box, what did you think of it?
Do you like the sticker I put? Isn't it beautiful? It's so... Okay, it was just the popcorn. It was just the popcorn. Touched my slipper.
Thank you.
It's good.
Thank you for joining us for this video. Hopefully next month's box is better.
You're giving me those things that even people do in school.
What school?
The electric shocking thing to the ribs.
Oh jeez,
I hate the you.
I don't know how to do that.
Well, you went like.
Okay, so not much good food, but lots of fun on today's video. Thank you for joining Ben and I as we unbox the Yums video from Taiwan. Total fail. And give us a thumbs up down below if you enjoyed this video.
Thanks for watching.
Have a great day and safe travels.
Safe travels.